Now before we move ahead, I want to do one more thing here in this page, and that is showing a logo or image, something like that. So it's kind of a branding thing. So if you have a brand, then you can show your brand logo, something like that here on the top. Okay, so that way later we can also see that when users start typing, the keyboard will pop up, so it will block the view, and then I will show you how you can make it scrollable as well. Alright, so let's see how we can show a nice little image, the rounded image here on the top as a brand logo. Alright, so for that we're going to put that in a separate component, and we can import that. So first let's create that component. So I'm going to put that inside auth. So let's create a new file. Let's call it circle logo.js. And here import, we need to use view from React Native. We need to import React as well. Alright, and then we also need to import the image component from React Native. Okay, then we create this component const circle logo equals to, so we just use parentheses here, and then we export default circle logo. Now here we're going to have a view. Inside view we're going to show the image, right? So for the moment, just to give it a try, let me just use text. Let's just write something so that we can see that we have the component. Circle logo component. Okay, so let me import this one first just to make sure that we're doing it right. So sign up, let's import. From, so go one step up, get inside components, auth, circle logo, and we put that here. Can't find a variable circle logo. Okay, so that's typo there. Okay. So once we have that, we can put that. Let's go to the return, and we want to return that within the view but above this sign up. So let me just put it here. Okay, so at the moment you can see we have the text, which is great. We got the component. Now let's remove that text and instead use image. Alright, so let's use image. Now image requires the source, image source, which we can give. We use require, just like we do in Node.js, and then we have to get inside assets folder. So this is where you will store your images, static images you will put here. And if you were showing the image from the web, then you would use URI and you would give the web URL http://yourwebsite.com or /image, something like that. Right, so we might discover this bit later as well, but for the moment we're loading it from the local directory. So for that we use require. So require, we give the path, so one step up, two step up, go inside assets, and which image we can show. We can show this one, logo, assets logo dot png. Okay, got the image. It's quite big, so we can write some CSS for the image style. Width, let's give 150. Height 60. I think we need to increase these values, maybe 300. I think 300 look nice. Height maybe 200. Okay, and we can use margin vertical. Margin vertical, let's make it 50. Okay, so a bit of a margin here. Awesome. So now let's make this center. So to center that, we can go to this view component and write some styling. This is the wrapper component. So here, justify content center, align item center. All right, that's good. And I think this margin vertical 50 is a bit too much, maybe 20. Yeah, 20, that looks nice. Okay, so that's looking good. We got the image. Now we can remove this one, we don't need that. Just in string, if let me just comment that out. So we pretty much have the sign up page. It's looking nice. However, there is an issue which we're going to cover in the next video, and that is, let me bring the keyboard, toggle software keyboard. Okay, so you can see here, when I enter into the input fields, the keyboard pops up, and since this is not scrollable, it just covers the whole thing. So it covers the input field button, so it's not usable. Right, so let's see how we can fix this up.